Hi, my name is Kelly Paige, and I am presenting for group number 4. Our group chose to come up with a fake company called Keyholder Properties. Keyholder is an anagram using some of the letters from our first names. Because the anagram was Keyholder, we decided our company was going to be a realty company, and our presentation would be given to our realtors to help them gain momentum and enthusiasm in reaching more clients for more business. Our theme is Breakthrough to Excellence. The members of Group 4 are myself, and I was in charge of Linchpin Concepts. Dorothy Martin did Leadership Styles. Charles Matthews, Teamwork. Lane Megginson, Effective Communication. Molly Newman, Tolerance of Cultural Differences. Linchpin Concept number 1, become an expert in your field. According to Godin's book Linchpin, expertise gives you enough insight to reinvent what everyone else assumes is the truth. When you are an expert in your field, you know how to use the rules and information to get to the outcome that will benefit you and your clients. You can reinvent the new normal. You can challenge conventions because of your knowledge. You are in control of your future. Linchpin concept number 2, Google you. Basically, Google yourself. If you don't like what comes up when you Google yourself, you have the power to change it. Over-deliver yourself that people start posting about you. Use the connections that you have with others to help give generously, to help people with positive actions. For example, there was a local Central Florida law firm that connected themselves to a top local radio station. They used that platform to advertise they were giving away 50 free Thanksgiving meals to families in need. They knew that through this action of generosity, some people may Google the law firm if ever needed. As a realtor, you could create a website for yourself or create a blog that you post on, say, twice a month that has tips on recent trends in decorating or recipes, and this is a great way to get your name out there for people to know you. Linchpin concept number 3, emotional labor. Emotional labor is what you get paid to do, and one of the most difficult types of emotional labor is staring into the abyss of choice and picking your own path. You pick your path. You choose how you want to impact others and yourself. You can make your own roadmap. You have the power to decide where you want to go. When you do this, it will help you break through to excellence. Become a linchpin, a person or thing vital to an organization. Don't be afraid to be indispensable. You can choose how you want to impact others and yourself. When you are an expert in your field, when you have a strong, loyal following of people and clients, and when you have decided where you want to go with your career, you will be breaking through to excellence. Be absolutely necessary and essential. Leadership styles. As a realtor, you need to understand and recognize leadership styles from yourself, from the people that you work with, and with other people. There are 4 leadership styles: participative, autocratic, servant, and entrepreneurial. You need to learn how to recognize these styles, and you need to know how to apply these styles so that you can all work together. For example, combine a participative leadership style where you share a decision with your clients. Do it confidently, which is using an autocratic leadership style. Work together to achieve that multiple goal, which is either buying your house or selling a house. And then make sure that you use your personality and characteristics so that they want to continue working with you. Teamwork. Teamwork is done with an understanding and commitment to group goals on the part of all team members. In order for a team to achieve its goals, a clear, well-defined mission must be outlined. If team members don't trust each other, they will not be dependent on each other and will not work well as a team. When teams are motivated, team processes, team effectiveness, and team cooperation improve. It is essential in team building for teams to know the importance of being proud of its accomplishments. Teamwork, team development, off-site training programs, outdoor training programs, and learning by doing. As a leader, you can increase team development by participating in experiential activities. The most popular experiential approach is building teamwork and leadership skills in off-site and outdoor training. Outdoor training is a form of learning by doing. Outdoor training enhances teamwork by helping participants examine the process of getting things done through working with people. An example of an outdoor training is improving communication skills through rappelling down a cliff and using precise instructions to team members on how to scale the cliff safely, all while learning to trust one another because their survival depends on you. But remember to have fun. Remember to test your limits and work as a team. Effective communication. It starts with yourself. Don't be afraid to build relationships. Use your networking skills. Have respect for yourself and for other people. Don't be afraid to grow. Be sure to overcome fear. Oftentimes, people are quite fearful of discussing their thoughts among others in the workplace. Effective leaders are masterful nonverbal as well as verbal communicators. For any successful business, it is key in taking initiative and projecting one's confidence through a manner of speech, gestures, and body position. The external image that one portrays is an important role in communicating effective messages to other coworkers. People are more likely to pay more of their respect and allow more privileges to those that reveal their passion and dress the part. The information people receive from effective persuasion leads to great opportunity. This core concept of effective communication from Chapter 12 emphasizes the significance in creating a reliable work environment. Without effective communication, there would be no success or progress in the breakthrough to excellence. As a realtor, you need to know how to effectively communicate. You have to make sure that you're also credible. The importance of being able to include any type of inspirational speaking always should be from a credible source. The way others perceive credibility is truly impacted by a variety of factors. Trustworthiness is a major component and truly benefits any successful business as well. A great way of catching a person's attention is through heavy impact language and bettering your conversation with emotionally provoked words. More than half the time, others will be very engaged due to the vocabulary and inspirational words. Effective communication truly arises from each of these key components. Tolerance of cultural differences. The eyes have been called the windows of the soul and are considered to be the most accurate predictor of a speaker's true feelings and attitudes. When you are a realtor, you're going to be dealing with all different kinds of people, all different colors and all different races, possibly from all different countries, and you need to be able to have a tolerance of cultural differences. To improve tolerance of cultural differences, practice your empathy, which requires seeing the world through another person's eyes. Diversity in the workplace has many dimensions, including race, ethnicity, age, religion, gender, national origin, physical ability, and countless other qualities. Critical listening enables you to judge and evaluate what you are hearing, whereas discriminative listening is necessary when you must understand and remember. Make sure that you are on the road to breaking through to excellence. Thank you from Keyholder Properties.